In this video, we're going to look at the downloading and installing of MariaDB, the replacement for MySQL. MySQL has been overrun by big corporations, and they're always making, big changes. And a lot of those changes are pretty much over the top and overkill for what we want to use for RadioDJ or Sam Broadcaster or any program that uses MySQL on Windows. So we're going to download MariaDB and install it. Very easy, very simple, much faster than MySQL, and works just exactly the same way. You can get there by going to MariaDB.org. And when you get there, you're going to look for the download. You want the latest stable version, okay? I suggest doing the 86_64 version for Windows, and I also suggest getting the MSI package. Okay, so when it comes, it's going to download. And I'm going to go ahead and just double click and run it. Because on this computer, I had to redo my computer and it's not on there. All right, so we're just going to go through. Accept. Next, next. Right here, you want to give it a password only you will remember. All right, and I'm going to check use UTF-8. And if you should ever decide to use, well, I'll deal with that in another video. All right, so I'm going to click next. And you'll notice right here, as Microsoft Service, it says MariaDB. If you want to, you can change this to MySQL, or you can leave it at MariaDB. Also, if you want to, you do not have to use the default port. You can change that to whatever else you want. But I'm going to leave it as is. Click next and click install. Give it some what it does. Okay. And click yes. Click finish. Guess what? It is now running and you are done.